How to create a Klarna account. It's very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Klarna. Once you're in this home page, choose your specific country and then click on Sign In. Tap on Continue. Well, if you haven't created an account, simply enter your phone number or email address. Once you have entered, tap on Continue. You'll receive one code on your email address. Copy that code and paste it here. Once done, you will need to enter your phone number. Once added, tap on Continue. Now you'll receive one verification code on your WhatsApp or your phone number. Enter that code in this section and then head over to it. And there you go, your Klarna account has been created successfully. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.